up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shalinda, and in today's video I want to take you guys along with me to prep for my birthday / birthday trip. It is Saturday, November 19th. We have exactly 9 more days until my birthday, and I'm freaking excited. I'm going to be turning 20 years old, and I'm as well as going on a trip on the 25th to go into my birthday, so I'm excited for that as well, and you guys will see that as well. So basically, I have a lot to do in such little time. As you heard, I have 4 more days until my birthday, and I am not even done with prepping. I did my toes yesterday, as well as buying a little cute airport outfit, which I'll show you guys all in the next clip. And we still have more to do, so from there you guys will see what else I have to do.
Being friends, girl, I know you want it. I know you want it.
Okay, what's up guys? I just finished doing my nails. I showed you guys a clip before how I do my nails, and then I went to Forever 21 and I got this little airport outfit. If you guys see it on me, it looks so cute. And then I also went to Beth and Beth. Oh, you know how I say it. I went to this place and I got me some car air fresheners because I needed it. But after this, I'm just gonna go watch my boyfriend play basketball, and then I'll update you guys when I do my eyebrows and stuff. But later, guys. Hey y'all, we are currently at the eyebrows place, getting ready to do our eyebrows. Say hello. Hello. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the after. This is the before. See, looking atrocious. Got these massive people on my head. Hopefully it goes away. We have about 4 more days until the trip and 7 more days until I turn 20. I am low-key excited, I'm not gonna lie to you. Yeah. And then tomorrow is my nail appointment, and then so on. But y'all see the before, I'm gonna show you the after, okay? The after, yes, I know you guys see it. I'm so happy that I got them done. I think it's been like months since I got them done, and I usually could go months without getting my eyebrows done, but this was well needed. It's about to be my birthday. I can't go into my birthday looking crazy. I can't go into my 20s looking crazy. I gotta step for 20s, you know what I mean? I gotta step on bitches' necks. Ooh, excuse my language, I'm gonna bleep that out. But yes, I am in love with it. Now that gives me one less thing to do. This week is feeling like a jam-packed week, I'm not gonna lie to you, but we're gonna see how it turns out. I am hoping just by the end of it, I'm looking like the baddest there, you know what I mean? I'm looking like that girl, period, something like that. Hey guys, it is November 22nd, 10:23. My nail appointment is 10:30. I left my house at a good time, but the person in front of me is taking so long because I'm doing my nails at this girl's house. So yeah, I'm trying to get into the gate right now, but man's is taking mad long. It makes it look like I'm late for my appointment, but I'm not gonna be. But yeah, I'm honestly super excited to get my nails done because I haven't done my nails for a long time, I'm not gonna lie to you. But hold on, let me get into her thing real quick. Hold on.
Access granted.
Perfect. We are in now. I hope I can record in there. I will see if I can record in there so I can show you guys like the bits and pieces of her doing my nails. But yeah, I'm finna show you how I want my nails to be done and if it turns out the same way I want it to be done. So I will show you guys all that like after. Oh, lighting's bad. But I'll show you guys all that after. So see you guys after the appointment. Before I go inside, I'll show you the nails that I want to do, and then I'll show you if she executed perfectly, because don't get me wrong, she know how to do nails. She did my prom nails and she did it on point. I loved it. Okay, so here is the vibe we're trying to go for. Okay, this is what we're trying to go for. Okay, so I hope she can execute that, you know what I mean? So if she can, I'm gonna put her down below. I'm gonna put her down below regardless because she's really cool peoples. So, but yeah, so see you guys after the nail appointment. Guys, they're done. I am literally, hold on. I am literally so in love. Let me see if the camera focus. Like, what? I am literally so in love. You guys don't understand. I haven't done my nails in so long. Like, to have your nails done is such a feminine feeling. Like, look how I'm talking already. I'm talking like this. What you said? Oh, for real? Girl, now seriously, like this. But I literally love it. Like I said, I'm gonna link her Instagram down below so you guys can see it and whatever. But guys, it's officially 6 more days until my birthday, 3 more days until the trip. I'm excited as hell. Like, I can't wait to show you guys where I'm going and all that stuff. Now that's all left to do is clean my car, because I'm not going on a trip with my car looking like this. Clean my car, clean my room, and do my hair. And I don't know if I'm gonna film me cleaning my car or cleaning my room, but I'm gonna film bits and pieces of me doing my own hair. But yeah, guys, I'm excited. Hey guys, it is November 24th. We have one more day, not even one more day, a couple of hours. We're gonna leave at 3 a.m. to take our flight to Fort Lauderdale so we can get to the airport on time for our flight. But yeah, right now I'm currently installing my wig. I already put the bald cap on or whatever. I'm gonna start spraying down, you know, the whole process. I still did not bleach the knots of my wig. Yeah, don't beat me up, don't beat me up. But I'm finna bleach the knots of my wig, pluck it a little bit, and then install it. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys bits and pieces, not the whole full tutorial thing, because if you want to see a tutorial, go ahead and check out my last video if you want a tutorial. But this ain't gonna be no tutorial. Okay, this is a birthday prep vlog, sorry. But yeah, so here's me with the bald head cut up, looking ugly as. But once I put that wig on, I'ma eat. But yeah, see you guys later.
So y'all heard the beep, y'all go quiet, right? You're a blackie. You're definitely a blackie.
Yeah, don't start on YouTube, please.
He literally sucks. The Equaling is trash.
That wasn't the purpose. How do I record this?
Okay, so I'm in the process of bleaching my knots for my wig. Here it is. We're gonna let that sit for 30 minutes. And then we're gonna go on to plucking it. So. I just finished laying my wig. It's giving scalp. Don't lie to me, because you know it is. But yes, I am already done. I got ready for the airport. I should even show you guys the outfit. I should have waited till the next vlog. But yeah, so I'm pretty much done prepping for my birthday. I am so happy and I'm so excited for this trip. So stay tuned for the vlog that's coming up next. But other than that, see you guys later. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.